Hello guys, this is the Coding Magic YouTube channel, and today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can install and download the Atom text editor. And first of all, please in your Google go to type Atom text editor in Google and click or enter, and then you will see that in the first link, atom.io. This is an official website to download Atom editor, and click on the Atom editor link. Once you click, it will bring you to the Atom's official website. It's a very cool website, guys. I really like it. And let's talk about a little bit about the features of Atom. So this is the Atom. First of all, it's free text editor. It's an open source, and it has a big community, and its Atom is built using web technologies, and it's the modular, and Atom is hackable, and Atom has a built-in package manager, and it is m.git control, and it's integrated with GitHub, and it has a lot of millions of features other than those I have stated. And here in the official website, you need to go to you can discover other documentation, themes, package, blog, or discussion sections. But here, if you want to download, you will see that it automatically detected your Windows type. It's Windows for 64-bit, Windows 7 or later, and this is then as of date. Today is June 6th, 2021, and we have then available Atom text editor is 1.57.0. This is the latest version, and click on download. Once you download, once you click, the download process is going on, and you will see that it's 190 megabyte, and I have very super fast internet, and it's going to be downloaded very soon. You're gonna wait a little bit, and let's see. Yes, that it's done, and I'm gonna click on the downloaded.exe file. You need to accept whatever Microsoft asks you to start the installation. You're gonna wait a little bit. So guys, you need to wait a little bit. It says Atom is being installed, and it will launch once it is done. You're gonna be patient. The Windows 10 will install automatically in your Windows 10. So guys, the Atom text editor is completed installation, and here you see that it's the Windows for the software, and it's asking for to make it default text editor. I say no for right now, and you can here you can open a project or add folders, or you can do a new file, or you can do a new window, and you can start your text editing your text. So guys, thank you very much. If you like my video, please don't forget to share my videos and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate your time. Thank you very much.